May problema ang CF4 mo. Question, binabasa mo ba ang CF4 mo? If you transmit 50 to 100 claims to PhilHealth in a week, binabasa mo ba ang CF4? 99% of you watching will say no. Okay? That is the problem. So, CF4 is an auditing tool. Someone in PhilHealth or something will read your CF4. So, they have a list of diagnoses that they prefer to read. For a specific diagnosis, may checklist. The checklist is short, but somehow detailed. So, very serious po sila. Okay? Ang review dito, serious. Now, this means they want to see specific terms, specific symptoms, specific keywords po, and it must be consistent information. Okay, example. Sepsis, may hinahanap sila. CAP-MR, meron silang gustong makitang nakasulat. Surgical procedure, they want to see the details. Then you have stroke. Okay, meron mga required items na nakasulat. Dengue, may specific na hinahanap. Yung course in the ward, tugma ba sa findings? So my question to you is this. Does your CF4 contain specific terms? Meron bang nakasulat na specific symptoms? Okay, naka-attach ba ang specific labs? Ang results ho ba ng labs or diagnostic tugma ba sa problema ng pasyente? Ang clinical management ba ay angkop or tugma sa diagnosis? Now, if your answer is yes sa lahat, if your answer is confident at yes ka, okay, niluloko mo yung sarili mo. Hindi mo binabasa ang CF4, di ba? Now, how can you be confident in answering yes? So, this is the assumption. Si Doc, ginawa niya lahat na tama. Yung clinical management ni Doc, malamang tama. So, malamang tama ang CF4 mo. That is the common assumption. Now, the chances are, yan probably ang reason mo bakit yes yung sagot mo. Boom! Mali po. Okay? Dahil hindi po ninyo binabasa ang CF4, you will never know if tama ba ang ginawa ng encoder ninyo. You do not have any idea sa content ng CF4 kasi hindi nyo binasa. So the actual clinical management at times does not match what is written in the CF4. And I have seen this so many times. Yung clinical management po, walang match dun sa CF4. So, yung CF4 ho is RTH or denied. Now, eto, two things ho that you need to do. Now, understand that PhilHealth, let's say, will read your CF4. Not all, but meron silang preferences. So, make sure kapag binasa nila yung CF4 nyo, makita nila yung gusto nila. So, number one, give them what they want to see. Again, give them what they want to see. So, question, ano ba yung gusto nilang makita? Signs and symptoms, current problem, labs and diagnostics, tugma ba sa CPG? Yun ang hinahanap po nila. Drugs, medicines, intervention, the length of stay, yung course in the ward po, dapat ho match yan sa clinical practice guideline. Okay? Ito, pangalawa. Read the CF4. Okay? Find time to check the output. You will see if nagawa ba yung number 1. So you read, you validate, okay, if maayos ang paghagawa ng CF4. So question, nagawa ba? Now, next, if PhilHealth will read it, okay, makita ba nila ang hinahanap nila? Plus, you avoid the inconsistency. Okay, example, yung CAP-MR, wala namang nakasulat na cough. Okay, may dengue ho kayo. Hindi naman nakasulat yung fever. Okay? Sepsis yung diagnosis. Wala namang ginawang blood culture. Now, this happens, okay, when tama ang ginawa ng doktor, pero yung encoder ho ninyo, walang kwenta ang trabaho. Okay? So, in summary, okay, so you read your CF4 and check if maayos ba ang detalye ng CF4 ninyo. This is Coach Doc Ben. Okay? See you soon.